Hey, 603. We're back at the cornfield this morning. Me and Mike. Know me sick today. But, yeah, Mike was here yesterday in the morning. And, he got him a half real. He also found the other, another B&M button. But my first target is gonna be another snap button. That's cool. I wonder if it, fits the other rivet I got. Well, as you guys can see, frost is coming up. It's getting cold. Ground's gonna start freezing on us, and surely digging's gonna come to an end. Alright, anything else cool, we'll get back to you. And we'll show you that coin and some other stuff Mike found. I also found that aluminum tag. Mike found the other half. Ain't that karma? And as if you remember, that little knoll's where them idiots were shooting yesterday. And we're here this morning, and the same truck's parked out there. And, you know, you can't hunt here. So, you know, some people, I don't know. Alright, guys. Later. Yeah, hey, guys. We got another target. I kicked it out of the hole. Now it's ringing up 9:10. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, it's a stud. I thought it was a button. Yeah, there's no threads on it, so it's not a screw. Still cool. Anything else, I'll turn it back on. Hey guys, we got another target. And I thought it was junk, and so I didn't turn you on for it. But it appears to be a spoon. Fold it over. Let me brush it up and we'll see. Well, you got that cleaned up, guys. And it ain't a spoon. I think it's part of a suspender clip. I folded it back over. And that's what it is. Anything cool, we'll get back to you. Yeah, hey guys. I'm going along. I got a choppy signal. But there's all kinds of junk out here. This was in with that. I think we got a clock line. Or a sardine can opener. Let's see. Oh, dropped it. And that's what it is. Beam you in a little. And clean it up, see if there's any fancy on it. Well, we cleaned that up, guys, and I don't see no fancy on it. And I called it a clock line. I think it's a watch line. Watch key. Anything else cool, I'll get back to you. Hey guys, I just tripped over another solid 15. And cut the plug, and nothing's deep, see? A couple inches. Oh, what's that? What's that? Another one of them buttons. Oh, look at the shape of that. That one is nice. And the back's gone on that too. That is awesome. Let me clean that one up and we'll get a real good look at that. Yeah, Mike showed me his and his button, and this is, I thought that was in good shape. This is real good shape. Let's clean it up. Oh, hey guys, we cleaned up that B&M button. and it's back's the same way on this one. I don't know if it was a snap. Mike's is the same way. This thing is, look at that. Awesome, awesome. And that does say railroad. R.R. Couldn't make it out on the other button. Because I either hit it or the plow hit it. But yeah, this field is just it's awesome. You know, we've hunted here for the last couple of years, and things have just been turning up. I don't come into this field on one hunt without finding something. And me and Mike missed our pass yesterday. I had to work, and Mike was down here in the morning hunting, and I came right after he left. That's when them guys were shooting into the field. And they just let off like 4 or 5 more shots. You know, I wouldn't mind. But for one, you can't hunt here because you can see the power lines right there. There's a house there, there's a house there, there's a house there. You know, some little kid steps out the door of his dog and takes a bullet. Some idiot that don't know where to hunt. But anyway, we'll get back to you. Well guys, we get another decent hit. It solid 13, and I can see it. And I don't know if it's a piece of wire. Yeah, and that's what it looks like to me. Piece of wire. Yeah, anything else, we'll get back to you.
I thought I had another one.
Hey guys, Mike got a nice button, I think.
I thought I had another one.
Yeah.
I flipped it over, it's got a shank.
It's a bum deal.
It broke my heart.
Nice, nice. Hey guys, we're getting another signal. And this is a solid 15. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, it's in the root of the corn stalk. They're still in that same field. And let's see if it's still in there. Yeah, it's still in there. Well, we don't know. Yeah, let me shut you off and I'll see if I can find it. Okay guys, we got what was in that root ball, and it is in my hand. I have not looked at it yet. And it's another 2-piece button. That one's got some fancy on it. Here, let me clean it up and I'll show you. There you go, that button's all cleaned up, and it does have fancy on it. So you can and it was a 2-piece, I believe. Yeah, it's cool. We're hunting back to the trucks, and if I don't find anything, I'll see you at the wrap up. Hey, what's happening, 603? Well, we're wrapping up for today. Here's what we got for rubbish. That's notorious. That's everywhere. And then yesterday when we went digging, Mike was here before me. I got this half, if you remember in the video, and Mike found this half. I think it's a cow tag. It's aluminum, cast aluminum. And then here's what we got today. That there is some suspension. Mike found that. And then I found that decent button, Boston Main Railroad. And then there's this twin I dug yesterday, which What a difference where it was in the field. And we got another 2-piece button. 45 Wheatie. And this here, I'm not sure what that is. This has a Newark on it. Got some fancy on the bottom. Got the old rivet. And then our watch wind. Then when Mike was here yesterday, after I left, this is some of what he got. He got another one of them Maine Railroad buttons, Boston, Maine. Half a ball button. This is cool. That's silver. I don't know if you guys can see that, all the fancy on that. And you got his half real. There you go. There's a good picture of it. 1776. Let's see. Looks like a back to a watch. Nice bail seal. The button he found earlier that we showed you. Gold gilt, flat button. A couple of flat buttons. And you got a meat staple. So, between what we dug and what we dug here, that's a lot of digging. And I got some odds and ends here. Pieces of brass. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a nice week and be safe.